We are going on the record in the matter of the state of Michigan versus Ashton Knox, 231082. And appearance, counsel?
Good morning, Your Honor. Christopher Shemke, appearing on behalf of my client. At this time, we consent to the matter being heard via Zoom.
Thank you. And Mr. Knox, your name for the record, please.
Ashton Knox.
Okay. And today is the date scheduled for the probable cause conference, and counsel?
Yes, Your Honor. I'd be respectfully requesting a 1-week adjournment. I was able to solidify getting discovery. I would like to have a dialogue with my client regarding it so that he can make an informed decision on whether or not he wants to hold or waive a preliminary exam. So I would just be asking for 1 week, Judge, and then afterwards I would like to address bond.
All right, we will adjourn this matter to, and counsel, you were just recently retained, correct?
Correct, Your Honor. I would be asking for the 8th. I don't need that much time as I'm in full discovery. And I'd be asking for later in the morning, potentially, if possible, the court could accommodate around 11 a.m., if the court could accommodate.
We can accommodate. All right, we'll adjourn this to June 8th. There is an exam that's scheduled 11 a.m. I don't know if that's holding or not holding, but we can accommodate. And so then, counsel, you wanted to address bond. Bond is currently $250,000 cash bond with the following bond conditions: no contact with Damian Parmalee or Sally Hamer, no contact with any prosecution witnesses, not to enter the subway on Eureka, not to possess and consuming alcohol or drugs unless prescribed, not to possess or have access to firearms and or any weapons, and GPS to other house arrest or Wayne County Jail.
Yes, Your Honor. Right now, the biggest concern is a $250,000 bond. He's not able to make that bond. We'd be respectfully requesting for consideration for it either be lowered or potentially have a 10% provision or cash surety provision.
Thank you. And Mr. Shajra, would you like to address?
Yes, Judge.
Bond?
Good morning, Your Honor. Omar Shajra on behalf of the people, P86332. Judge, we would object to any bond reduction in this matter, given its serious assaultive nature. Your Honor, these allegations stem from an incident where the defendant in this case pointed a firearm outside of a subway at 2 individuals, Judge. The subway at this time was locked down. The employees were locked in a bathroom, as indicated by the investigator's report, Judge. It's also my understanding that he had a pending MDOP matter before this one, and he picked up this case after, Judge. And we would ask that no reduction be given in this matter.
Okay, and counsel, can you please clarify, is your client currently on probation?
Yes, he is, Judge.
Okay, and that's to the Third Circuit Court, correct?
Correct, Your Honor.
All right. And so the court, in issuing the bond that it did, took into account the fact that Mr. Knox was on bond in this court for malicious destruction of property matter. That case has since been resolved. And the court took into account that Mr. Knox was on probation out of the Third Circuit Court for a felony matter. And the court also took into account the fact that the gun is in this matter that was alleged to have been used, has been reported stolen out of the state of Texas. The court will also note that given the safety of the public and the allegations in this case, the court issued the $250,000 cash bond, no 10%, no surety. The court has serious concerns for the safety of the public and for the witnesses if Mr. Knox were to be out of custody. And so for those reasons, the court is going to deny the request to reduce the bond.
Understood, Your Honor.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. All right, anything else?
No, Your Honor.
Nothing further for the people, Judge.
All right, thank you very much. We'll see you back next week. And then